What if I tell you that you didn't need to do anything special to heal the planet and protect its future? Being earth-friendly isn't easy now. Our development has been an infinite process of challenges, solutions, and learning from our mistakes, or from a long-term neglection of them. The Hands of Minerva is going to document the challenges and find ways to overcome them. Through a series of choices, easy ones too, anyone could live a life with a more positive impact on the planet. If you are sick of how big companies and governments are embracing green programs and investing in the right resources, then the backed green blog at the Hands of Minerva is your space to make a change. Join us.